How to add dice in the Monopoly Go game. So if you have run out of dice to play on the Monopoly Go game and want to add it, then don't worry. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to do it. So let's get started. First of all, open the Monopoly Go game just like this. After opening the app, you will see something like this on your home screen. Now to add dice, simply tap onto 3 lines at the top right corner right here. Now select it. Then here you can find the shop option. Now tap on it. Now to add the dice, you can simply buy the dice by the given options right here. Now tap onto one just like this. And by simply buying it, you can add the dice. Now double click to pay and you can buy it. And that's it. This is how you can add dice in the Monopoly Go game. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.